ਓਏ ਜਾ ਤੁਰ ਜਾ ਮੂਤ ਪੀ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਲੈ ਲਿਆ ਸਵਾਦ ਜਾ ਮੂਤ ਪੀ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਓ ਜਾ ਓ ਮੂਤ ਪੀ ਕੇ ਸਿਹਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦੀ ਹਰਾਮ ਦਾ ਬਾਮਣਾ
Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna reveal a secret to you. Secret about a country. One of the biggest countries in this world. Yes, it's Canada. Canada is becoming a safe haven for terrorists. Khalistanis, Islamic terrorists, and all the terrorists around this world find Canada as their safe haven. And the biggest revolution is that the Prime Minister of Canada knows it and promotes these terrorists as well. Let's check out this video first so you'll understand what am I talking about.
I want to see Islam every single corner in the city. I would like to see niqabi, hijabi, jilbab everywhere in the city. I would love to see brothers with beard, with kufi, with hat, with thobes everywhere. Because when they see more of us, they will have more respect for us. They will say, look, they are everywhere. They are everywhere. We cannot go against them. When we try to blend in, try to be like them, مَا أَنْتَ إِلَّا تَبَعْ, you're nothing but a follower. And a follower would never achieve anything. So take a stand and do that. We want to see also...
As you can see, this is an Islamic cleric. He's promoting Islam in Canada. He wants Islamic laws in Canada. All the white people living in Canada should accept Islam, else they have to leave Canada. Yes, the natives of Canada have to leave Canada. Not only this, even the Khalistanis terrorists find Canada as their safe haven. They are beating Hindus in Canada. Yes, Hindus. Sikhs are basically Hindus, but Khalistanis are those Sikhs who want to defame Sikhism, India, and Hindus as well. Khalistanis are basically terrorists promoted and funded by Pakistan. Pakistan and China wants to destabilize India. If there will be no development in India, companies will go to China. Companies will go to Pakistan. Unfortunately, companies not going to go to Pakistan anyway. But Pakistan gets money. Pakistan gets funds from China to destabilize India. That's the whole story out here. Khalistanis terrorists and Pakistan wants to break Punjab from India. What will happen if by chance India says, okay, we'll give you Punjab? What will happen? Pakistan will conquer Punjab in 2 days, just 2 days. There will be no Khalistani left over there. There will be no Sikhs left over there. That's what happened in Afghanistan. Once Sikh people used to rule Afghanistan, what happened? There are hardly any Sikhs in Afghanistan. You are not brave if you are not united. Trust me on this one. And that's what Khalistani terrorists are doing. They're trying to break off Punjab from India. They are defaming Sikhism, basically. They are trying to portray Sikhism as a radical religion. They are trying to portray Sikhism as aggressive religion, which is a bad thing because Sikhs and Hindus are almost same religion. They're not different people. They're same people. Sikhism is a part of Hinduism. Hinduism is a part of Sikhism. You can't divide them, but that's what Pakistan is trying to do. And they have people like these Khalistani terrorists who are working from them without even realizing that they are basically digging their own grave. People will start hating them. And Canada is supporting them. Justin Trudeau is supporting them. Just for their political needs, just for their political benefits. How can you support terrorists in your own country? They will destroy Canada one day. Canada will become Khalistan or Islamistan. Trust me on this one. Share this message. Common man, common people in Canada has to learn about these terrorists. They are living next door. They are gonna come to you. They will kill you. These Khalistani terrorists, these Islamic radicals are gonna come to your house. They will blow up Canada into half. Trust me. They don't want Khalistan from India. India can handle it. Canada cannot handle it. You guys will suffer a lot in coming days. Please throw out these Khalistani people, these Khalistani terrorists back to Pakistan. That's where they belong. Stop bringing them to your country. Save Canada. Throw them out. Throw out Khalistani terrorists now before it's too late. Subscribe to my channel. I hope you understand. Ciao.